Hello everyone and welcome to another session of vocabulary. This is session number 9 and this session will be picture based session. We will be learning vocabulary, their meanings, their sentences, and after that I will be showing you pictures related to that. और पिक्चर से समझने से आपको वो चीज और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगी. So without wasting any time, let's move on to our first word. So our first word is lousy. Lousy means very bad. The simple word and the simple meaning, lousy means very bad. ठीक है? For example, you can say one should not believe on lousy employees. We have written one should not believe on lousy employees. Means we should not believe on bad employees, okay, who keeps on changing their words and keeps on changing their manners. So those are treated as lousy people. Clear? So this was the first sentence. You can also say that the service of this hotel is lousy. We can say service of this hotel is lousy. That means the service of this hotel is very bad, is lousy. Clear the meaning of lousy? Lousy means very bad. In this picture, we can see that the boss is being very rude and aggressive towards his employee. So he is behaving very badly. We can say that the boss is lousy towards his employee. Means being very bad behavior towards the employees. Now you must have seen the picture of lousy. Okay, so moving on to the next word. Next word is audacious. Audacious. Audacious means risky. Audacious means risky. Doing risky tasks. He took audacious step. So he took audacious step means he took the risky step. Clear? This also was easy word, audacious meaning risky. Now see the picture. In this picture, we can see that the woman is trying to balance herself on the rope, and that too from a very greater height. Means she is doing very risky task. So we can say that her task is very audacious. She is doing audacious task. Moving on to the next word, rescued. Rescued. Rescind means to cancel. Rescind means to cancel. किसी चीज को रद्द कर देना या फिर कैंसिल कर देना, उसके लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं rescind. For example, the teacher rescinded. The teacher rescinded the class means she cancelled the class. She rescinded the class. Clear this word? Rescind means to cancel. किसी चीज को रद्द करना या फिर कैंसिल करना, उसके लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं rescind. The teacher rescinded the class. Here we can see that the person is tearing the contract. Means he is rescinding the contract. He rescinded the contract and he cancelled it. Tearing means he is cancelling, that he don't want this
contract. So we can use it for contracts also.
Next word is gratified. You might have heard this word earlier. Gratified. Gratified means satisfied. Gratified means satisfied. One should always be gratified with what he or she has. Means one should always be satisfied with what he or she has. I am gratified with what I have. So I am gratified with what I have means I am satisfied with what I have, and one should always be satisfied and gratified with what he or she has. So the meaning of gratified is satisfied.
Here we can see that this person is gratified, or you can say satisfied with what he has. He is happy in his own company and he is enjoying that. So one should always be happy with what he or she has. He should always be gratified and satisfied.
Next word is wicked. Wicked or wicked, you can say, which means wrong. Which means wrong or bad persons, wicked persons. We should stay away from wicked people. Means from wrong people. We should stay away from wrong people. Means wicked people. So wicked means wrong.
So you can see this. She is something from outside and the another thing from inside. Means she is behaving very wickedly, showing her another face, and from inside she is feeling something else. So you can use the wicked word for her also.
Next word is indigent. Indigent means needy, or you can say very poor. Indigent means needy or very poor. We should always help the indigents. We should always help the indigent. हमें हमेशा नीडी लोगों की, पुअर लोगों की हमेशा हेल्प करनी चाहिए. So needy or very poor means indigent. Indigent means needy or very poor.
Here you can see that this woman is helping the needy person. He is jobless, he don't have money and he is in need. So she is helping him. So one should always help the indigent people, the needy people, the poor people, always as she is doing.
Our next word is calamity. We all are aware of this word calamity, which means disaster. The word calamity means disaster. It is a kind of sudden disaster. So it is a kind of sudden disaster that occurs, a kind of sudden disaster that occurs without a warning. Without a warning. So this is called as calamity. So calamity causes lots of destruction, lots of loss in the economy as well as for the people. Okay? So this was our last word for today. Calamity. calamity, which means disaster. You will see the picture and then come back.
So you can see this. The flood has occurred here. So it's a kind of calamity. Okay. Floods, earthquakes, landslides, these are all calamities that causes huge loss.
Okay, so you have seen the pictures of calamities. So this was our last word and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel English Plus. Thank you so much.